Come here. Oh, come here. Look outside. See that? That's an unboxing for the end of the video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back, and today we're going to be discussing supplements. Do you need them? What are they? Let's get into this video. Supplements 101. Okay guys, so first off we have creatine. Creatine is one of the most studied and proven to work supplements on the market today. It increases the stores of creatine phosphate, which then increases the production of ATP. Increased production in ATP will lead to better performance. The key with creatine is consistency. So what you want to do is you want to take it every day, and that's how you're going to see results. Moving on. Protein, the big one. Do you need protein if you're able to get all your protein from a whole food source? The answer is no. But if you're unable to do that, protein supplementation is the way to go. It's an easy and quick way to be able to fill up that protein goal. Now, protein is a dairy product. If you're unable to take those, say you're vegan or you're dairy intolerant, what you can do is you can opt out for a protein that's either a vegan blend or maybe a protein that is beef isolate. It does not need to be whey protein. Okay, now BCAAs. So BCAAs are branched chain amino acids, and this is the supplement that you don't really need because a lot of this you can get from a good balanced diet. All these supplements you can really get from a good balanced diet, but BCAAs is probably the least because you can get that just from protein. So I would say if you're just starting out, if you're gonna get supplements, I would just go for creatine and protein. And last but not least, we have one of my favorites, pre-workout. I take this quite often. Do you need it? No. This one is just purely up to you. If you want a bit of, it's almost like drinking a Monster. If you want a bit of a buzz, a bit of caffeine before your workout, go for it. If you don't, there's no need to get this one. Okay guys, I think that about wraps it up for this. Let's get on to the unboxing. Okay guys, so that's all of it. You've got this and then this. Just wanted to show you, I've already opened this one yesterday because it came before the rest. It's just a medicine ball that I used in the last video. Go check it out if you haven't. And I think this calls for a time lapse. Here that some assembly is required to build this, so I'm gonna build it in the garage. Damn lifestyle! Finished product. That took too much effort. Alright guys, that about wraps up for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and also leave a comment down in the comment section what you want to see next. That's me. Take care.